Bowden, Managing Director at AirTech Engineering Solutions. I've been Managing Director here for the last couple of years. I've been with the company for nearly 12 years now. It's a great honour to be recognised as part of the Top 100. I'm really passionate about the manufacturing sector, so to be named in any kind of award or recognition is really, really important, and something which has been quite humbling for me. I guess my earliest recognition of kind of manufacturing being something I was interested in was spending Saturdays and Sundays around my granddad, who was a maintenance engineer. He spent all his time in the garage, rarely spoke to my grandma, kind of lived in there. He was always fixing something, motorbikes, cars, and that became kind of my weekend life. I realised I liked solving problems, didn't know what that meant in terms of longevity. I was probably 8, 9, 10 years old. But then when I got to an age where I started to have to think about career choices, manufacturing was an obvious area, and engineering was something that I felt passionate about. First step into management, I think, was a big challenge. I think the first time you step out of being kind of part of the team and you become the leader of the team, the dynamics are different, and that brings with it lots and lots of challenge. I recognise there are always things that you can do better, so I'm always just on the lookout for, what I can do differently, better, and that evolution just helps support you into whatever the challenge is. The legacy is it's shocked us into action. This sector appears to have some real focus from government. I think there's finally a recognition that we have fallen behind a lot of our European peers. I think that focus will only serve us well. The UK prosperity agenda will hopefully bring things back on shore, and our skill levels will get back to kind of where they were, and we'll be competitive again.